Today, we're talking Google Analytics 4 and BigCommerce. If you've ever had your feeds mysteriously filled with products you're interested in, you know how digital behavior tracking works. Rising privacy concerns around these practices have sparked innovations in data tracking and analytics. Google's answer to these concerns is Google Analytics 4, often referred to as GA4. GA4 significantly differs from its predecessor, Universal Analytics, or UA. While UA was a sessions-based model, GA4 is an events-based model. The former recorded sessions and associated actions to that session, whereas GA4 records each action as a unique event. These events can include visiting, scrolling, clicking, purchasing, and more. GA4 trades traditional cookies for referencing IP address, device, and account data, linking actions to specific users. So, why should you, as a BigCommerce merchant, care? Besides being forced into GA4 as of July 1st, 2023, the updated platform gives you a more comprehensive understanding of your customer's journey across devices, channels, and pages, paving the way for more informed marketing strategies. Unlike Universal Analytics' last-click attribution model, GA4 attributes events across channels touched throughout the customer's journey, providing you with a more holistic view of your customer's interactions. Now, on to the good stuff. How do you integrate GA4 with BigCommerce? It's simple. BigCommerce's native functionality allows you to drop your GA4 measurement ID into a dedicated space on the BigCommerce platform, similar to the old Universal Analytics setup. This action will automatically add 7 default events to your GA4 account: view item list, add to cart, remove from cart, view cart, begin checkout, and purchase. For a more detailed guide, BigCommerce's official documentation on the subject will be your best companion. You can find the link below. Let's take the setup a step further. Start by opening GA4's Setup Assistant and BigCommerce's Integration Setup page simultaneously in separate tabs. Connect your data stream by entering your measurement ID into BigCommerce, and while you're there, enable enhanced measurement inside of GA4. In tag settings, list unwanted referrals like payment gateways and other domains you don't want attributing event data to GA4. Next, change the data retention setting from 2 months to 14 months for longer access to user-level and event-level data. In addition to the default 7 events provided by BigCommerce, you can add numerous others revolving around your products and services sold. These can be represented as an array of items that can be integrated into e-commerce events. These items can include up to 27 custom parameters, and you can incorporate up to 200 elements within the items array. An essential step is ensuring your currency is set up correctly when sending value or revenue data. This is pivotal for the accurate calculation of revenue metrics. Furthermore, it's important to set every e-commerce parameter the data is available for, whether the parameter is optional or not. For real-time event tracking and more efficient troubleshooting, we highly recommend using Debug mode. This feature allows you to view and verify the tracking of various user actions instantly, ensuring your data is being recorded accurately. For more detailed information and guidance on this topic, we recommend Google's official documentation, which provides an in-depth understanding of GA4's features and capabilities. You can find that link below as well. To make the most out of your Google Ads with GA4, here's what you need to do. Ensure the GA4 purchase event is set as a conversion. Designate any other trackable events as conversions, such as add to cart. Ensure proper connection between your GA4 and Google Ads account. Mark the newly imported GA4 conversion actions and Google Ads as primary and the Universal Analytics conversion actions as secondary. But be patient. It can take up to 30 days to process the conversion actions, though in our experience, you'll typically see data in less than a week. By now, your Google Analytics 4 and Google Ads accounts should be properly synced with your BigCommerce online store. If you're struggling to get GA4 to work properly for your business needs, our team is here to help. Just fill out the contact form on our website. Until next time, this was Spencer with Groove Commerce, signing off.